In today's video, I will walk you through how to apply filters in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project or open an existing one. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version. Filters are one of the fastest ways to improve the visual style of a video because they can instantly change the colors, contrast, lighting, and overall mood of your footage without needing advanced editing experience. They are commonly used in YouTube videos, travel edits, gaming clips, vlogs, cinematic content, and short-form videos to create a cleaner and more polished appearance. Start by importing your footage and dragging it onto the timeline. Once your clip is in place, click on the video so the editing settings become active. After selecting the clip, move over to the Filters tab inside the editing panel. This section contains a large collection of preset filters designed for different styles and moods. You will notice categories ranging from cinematic and vintage looks to brighter social media-inspired styles. Each filter changes the appearance of your footage in a different way, so it is worth taking a little time to preview several options before deciding which one works best for your project. As you browse through the filters, you can preview how they affect your footage in real time. Some filters create very soft and natural adjustments, while others completely transform the look of the video with stronger colors and contrast. Think about the mood you want your content to have before choosing a filter. Warmer filters can create a softer and more welcoming atmosphere, while cooler filters often feel cleaner or more dramatic. Once you find a filter you want to use, drag it directly over your footage on the timeline. The effect will immediately apply to the clip so you can see the results right away. If the filter feels too strong or too subtle, click on the filter layer and adjust the intensity slider from the settings panel on the right side. Lowering the intensity usually creates a more natural and balanced appearance, while increasing it makes the effect stand out more. This adjustment gives you more control over the final style of your video and helps match the overall mood you are trying to create. You can also control how long the filter stays active by dragging the edges of the filter layer in the timeline. This is useful if you only want the filter to appear during certain sections of the video instead of applying it to the entire project. CapCut also allows you to layer multiple filters together to create more customized visual styles. This can produce unique results, although it is usually better to keep the adjustments controlled so the footage still looks clean and professional. Using too many strong filters at the same time can sometimes make videos look overly processed or distracting for viewers. As you continue editing, keep previewing the footage to make sure the filter matches the pacing, lighting, and overall tone of your content. Watching the clip back a few times can help you notice if the effect feels too strong or if small adjustments are needed. Once everything looks the way you want, your filter setup is complete. And that is how you apply filters in CapCut PC to create more polished and visually appealing videos.